So what up guys, after sorry, let me just throw it. Let's go. Yeah, what up guys, after long I'm about to do unboxing video. As I say, yes, it's gonna be special. As I say, more I could say with the unboxing video. So yes, पहिला पनि I have done many videos about unboxing the shoes. So as a pani, it's a special, yes, dad shoes. I came with the dad shoes. So let's see what's inside the box. You can see here the Nike shoes. So what's inside here, let's see. I came with the new shoes called Monarch, Nike Air Monarch. It's called dad shoes. You know what's dad shoes? I'm you daddy early launi shoes. That's why the same chunky sole. So I'll show you what's inside. Okay, ta-da! Okay, here's the Air Monarch dad shoes. Let's say your color राम्रो लागेको थियो because you know colorway gray, green, what's called green? के भन्छ I don't know, green. Okay, let's say green shoes. Yes, the reason why it's called dad shoes. You know, like dad shoes भन्छ because you can see here the big fat chunky sole with the Nike sign. You know this vibe. It's like old vibe, dad vibe, which is in a trend. So about to cop, so I had to cop this. So like it looks like a running shoes, but you know you can go with the daily basics with this track suit. You can go with the sweatpant, half pant, what do you say, shorts. Yes, or with the jeans. I think jeans is better with the sweatpants or the trainers. Yeah. So let's see let's see how it looks on my feet. Here my guys. Okay, let's see. Okay, oops, tight slide. Okay, size wise it's not so small. I think it's still here. There is no पनि छैन, त्यति ठुलो पनि छैन. मैले चाहिँ I went one size bigger than normal size. मेरो size चाहिँ in Japanese size 27 cm. What do you say? In American size 9, but I went for 10. American US size 10. किनभने you know like when I bought last time यो easy supermoon किन्दाखेरि it was a little bit like small with the size, हल्का tight थियो अगाडि. So yeah, I went one size bigger because you never know how it gonna turn. So one size bigger. So I think it's perfect. It's not so, you know, uncomfortable. It's perfect. So sign here at the home. So I'll open how it feels. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Summer ko lagi po it's perfect. You know, you can go with the short pants. Okay guys, so here's the Air Monarch. How to spell this? I think it's called Air Monarch. Air Monarch dad shoes 2019. Yes, Nike is like killing like these days, like with the new design with this Air Monarch and M2K. Yes, M2K was dope as well because they had the really like chunky sole. It is like, you know, like you don't want to waste so much money on easy. Easy, it costs you around, it is like the mango, so it costs you around, when I bought in on StockX, it cost me around I guess $350. Yes, it's like way expensive than this. But these, like the Air Monarch, it have a perfect stitching, you know, double stitch, and it looks like for me it looks similar. So you don't have to waste so much money on. You can buy Air Monarch like this.
I want to get overpriced clothing that show that I make a lot of money.
What do you do?
Money. I collect my parents' allowance.
It's I bought around $70, yes, around $70, lower than $100. So yeah, definitely it's good use of money, I guess. Yes, you can check the link below. I'm gonna put some link where you can buy these shoes on Amazon, Rakuten. Please guys, show some love. I know I'm being lazy these days, so please subscribe, hit that like button and click that notification bell. Show some love. I promise I'll put on more contents about lifestyle, daily vlogs, fashion, unboxing. Yeah, I want to grow with you guys, grow bigger in this channel. So yes, I need your support. To see you soon with some new vlogs. Next time I'm coming with a very cool vlog. Yes, it's gonna be about Starbucks, so stay tuned. I'm not gonna say more about what's gonna be in the next vlog, so stay tuned guys. So now I'm gonna sign out. I was saying tata, goodbye. So to subscribe button, the like button and notification button चाहिँ press गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला. So till then, peace.
Fuck from the